A cloudy start this morning with some patchy rain, but it will soon brighten up. A good-looking day ahead, but will it last? I'll have all the details of that and more coming up on Good Morning Britain.
Tuesday.
Even though you're nowhere near 50.
So I was actually the unbeaten girls cross-country champion at my
Of course
school.
you were.
So distance running. I ran for my county, and I remember telling my teacher that I was going to be in the Olympics.
Did I ever tell you that I pole vaulted under 15? Oh, no, it's true.
Oh, my God, so would you fancy doing that? Because you are probably slightly over 50. You actually have some weather as well.
So, you know, luckily it all ended up perfectly. Went to university, studied physics and meteorology, and here I am now.
Hooray.
I wasn't distracted by lots of gold medals. But the research in weather has become really handy for me because not just UK weather, around the world. And at the moment, the Atlantic hurricane season has been pretty quiet, but Hurricane Debbie has been causing devastation. But this is where it's now heading, right up this southeastern seaboard of America. And they are set to see 6 months worth of rainfall in just 2 days. They're expecting catastrophic and potentially historic flooding. And it's worth pointing out, as this tracks up the eastern seaboard, that affects our jet stream, which will impact our weather into the weekend. So, yes, on the other side of the Atlantic, we'll see that low-pressure system tracking up the eastern seaboard. That will then influence the jet stream as it heads across the Atlantic, bring the weather systems to our shore later on, this system here behind me. At the moment, we have weather systems queuing up in the Atlantic to bring with them some rain, more likely to see them across northern areas as we head through the coming days in the south.
It's a contradiction in terms.
That's my sport.
Good morning to you. A bit of a cloudy start first thing this morning with the weather front moving through. And once it does, the skies will then brighten. But this week, low pressure closer by. That means we're more likely to see cloud and rain. It's closer to the north. That's why we're more likely to see it. High pressure in the south will influence things, keeping things that bit drier. And throughout, temperatures remain above average. But for today, yes, we have the cloud. It will then clear, and then sunny spells and some scattered showers will follow. And yet again, it will feel beautiful and warm in the sunshine. Here's how it looks first thing this morning, though. A band of cloud through central areas of England. This is the weather front we had across the north yesterday that brought a lot of heavy rain. It will slowly clear southeastwards, so parts of the East Midlands, East Anglia, and the southeast cloudy with patchy rain this morning before it clears this afternoon. Then skies brighten for the rest of England and Wales. Sunny spells, temperatures between 21 and 24 degrees. Not as warm as the 27 we had yesterday. This is a cold front, so fresher air follows behind. And then Scotland and Northern Ireland, it's sunny spells and scattered showers. Some of those on the heavy side in the west, and temperatures here 19 to 20 degrees. So how do things pan out as we head through the next 7 days? Well, let's take a look at our outlook. So we look at the north of the UK first of all, Scotland, Northern Ireland, northern areas of England. And look at our temperatures first of all. The white line in the middle is where they should be for the time of year, so we remain at a little above average for the rest of the week into the weekend. Percentage chance of rainfall across the north of the UK. Today and tomorrow, sunny spells, maybe the odd shower, but a lot of dry weather around. But it's from Thursday onwards, a band of rain moves in. This weather front will bring heavy rain, and then it stays pretty showery as we head into the weekend. Fortunes further south for England and Wales as we head through the next 7 days again, starting off with our temperatures. And they are above average, so pleasantly warm opposed to the heat wave that we experienced last week and fresher conditions at night, not the humidity we've had over recent nights. But the percentage chance of rainfall largely dry today and tomorrow. The chance of that weather front bringing some rain for northern areas of England, and then into the weekend, hit and miss sunny spells and scattered showers. Good morning to you. Today's weather starts off fairly cloudy with the weather front, then it brightens up with sunshine and showers, and feeling pleasantly warm where the sunshine comes out too. This is the latest satellite. A band of cloud for central southern areas of England. With it is rain. Patchy light rain mostly. It moves through the East Midlands, East Anglia, the home counties, then the southeast.
A thread with Laura's pass. Do you have Lithuanian link?
No, possibly.
Well, I think you do.
Oh, mine is very straightforward. So Irish, Scottish, Welsh 64.5% and Scandinavian 35.5%. Yeah.
There you have it. And your paternal Irish roots are those of her great-great-great-grandfather's Patrick Tobin, who made horse. So there you have it.
What's a wool sorter?
Sorts out wool out.
DNA is a match to interesting information about your family, including this photo. This is your ancestral age, and visit her and discover more. So
That's crazy. That's so exciting. I have relatives. This is like...
That's so cool. That's lovely. It's wonderful that we're all, as you say, in the book and for both Marvin and Richard.
And there'll be this golden row thing in the weather. Yes, the sun will be coming out as we head through the day. Starts off a bit cloudy across the south and east, then it's one of sunshine and showers. And it will, yet again, feel pleasantly warm in the sunshine. Not as warm as yesterday, which was 27 degrees Celsius, because this is a cold front that's moving through. And it leaves with it a lot of cloud for parts of central southern England. Good morning to you. A bit of a cloudy start first thing this morning, but once the cloud clears, It's sunny spells and scattered showers and feeling warm when we have that sunshine. This is the latest satellite and radar. Cloud stretches from the northeast of England down towards central southern areas, and it's this band of cloud that brought the heavy rain yesterday across Scotland. It's going to clear its way eastwards through the day, so cloudy, dull and damp this morning with rain in the southeast. Then sunshine returns for England and Wales. Scotland and Northern Ireland, sunny spells and scattered showers, and top temperature around about 24 or 25 degrees Celsius.